Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is titingnan natin kung magkano yung early settlement ng cash now sa ating loan. So yan, delete tayo ng 4 days. So ipapakita ko lang yung early settlement. So ito yung opportunity na mababayaran mo yung parang capital lang ng inutang mo, tas yung interest is babawasan nila kung ilang months. Like for example, 6 months yung loan ko, tapos ipapakita ko yan. So principal lang 2,752, tapos yung late penalty lang is 17.66, interest is 214.66. Ang early payment settlement is 00. So yung total babayaran mo is 2,984.78 na lang instead of 672. So kung mag-early settlement kayo, mas maganda siya kung magre-loan kayo agad, para at least kunti lang yung babayaran nyo kaysa sasundin nyo yung monthly na payment nyo na, which is 672. Mas malaki po yung ma-discount kapag i-avail mo yung early settlement kung mag-reloan kayo agad. So ayan, so yun ang ating early settlement guys. So ngayon babayaran natin yung ating monthly na 672 plus yung late na 4 days. So total babayaran natin is 689.66. Then pay online lang tayo, click repay. Okay, then 689.66 is paid off na siya. So ganoon lang kabilis guys pag magbayad ng ating cash now na payment sa monthly natin, at saka napapakita ko na rin yung early settlement natin. So i-comment down below nyo yung mga experience nyo kay cash now, kung regarding sa nakapag-settlement na ba kayo ng early, para malalaman ng ibang mga viewers natin kung ano yung mga experience nyo. So thank you for watching guys, see you in my next vlog, at huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment at i-share sa mga friend nyo na may mga cash now, para malaman nila at ma-share din nila yung experience nila kay cash now. So yun lang for today's video guys. So salamat ng marami.